Sir, I took the stage 2 preparation from the speed, sir. When I gave the interview through speed, then I realized that the time is very crucial, sir. So speed helped me for my interview stage 2 preparation, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Aman Kumar Singh for scoring a topmost rank of AML 16 and CML 14 in specialty of MCH Neurosurgery. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Doctor, can we know brief background from where you started?
I am a resident of Chhapra, Bihar, sir. I have done my undergraduation from AIIMS Patna and then my post-graduation from Assam Medical College, Dibrugarh, sir, in general surgery. And thereafter, I was posted as a senior resident for my bond, sir, to serve my bond, sir.
Great. Doctor, can I know what is the special interest for neurosurgery?
During my surgical residency, sir, in my college, sir, it was that I was very much interested in trauma and onco cases, sir, because that was the mainly done there, sir. It's a very limited setting, sir, where I have done my neurosurgery exposure is very limited.
Great. Doctor, once you decided to go for neurosurgery, yes, what all you did, how you started the preparation, can you share something on that?
Speed as my stage 2 preparation, sir, but for stage 1 preparation, I followed some other my seniors to guidelines from the seniors, sir, and I prepared basically from the Greenberg and the notes, sir.
Okay, Greenberg. How many hours you used to prepare every day?
Oh, sir, it's like 5 to 6 hours, sir. That's what I got time I used to get.
Doctor, can you tell me, was your primary exam a NEET exam or INISS exam?
No, sir, I was sure, okay, I will go back to, since my UG was from the IIMS Patna, sir, then I was sure that I will go back to INI only, sir.
So the primary exam is INI.
INI only, sir.
Doctor, how many questions did you attend?
So I attended 74 questions.
Okay, 74 questions. And these 6 questions you left out from general surgery only or a mix of general surgery and neurosurgery?
It was a mix of general surgery and neurosurgery, sir. But actually I left the questions that were mainly, sir, 2 or 3 questions were based on scientists' names, sir. I couldn't recall them. That's what.
Okay. Now, can you tell us how did you prepare for your interview? What are questions asked? Can you share some of the experiences in interview what you had?
Sir, I took the stage 2 preparation from the speed, sir. Everybody says that it's like you will get slide-based question. But when I gave the interview through speed, then I realized that the time is very crucial, sir. You have to get a slide, you have to read, study everything, read the questions, and then you have to answer it in that time frame, particular time frame. And same happened in the main interview also, sir. It was like they said that you have just 8 minutes of your time. You as much you can answer that. So, unless you practice that thing, sir, you will not go. If you go and first and give the exam directly in the INI, then I think it may be difficult. So speed helped me for my interview stage 2 preparation, sir.
Great. Doctor, what is your advice for your juniors who are aspiring for MCH Neurosurgery in future?
Sir, I think, sir, follow the notes, sir. Whichever you feel like you're comfortable with. And then Greenberg is a basic. You have to know the Greenberg as much as you can read. And then, sir, for general surgery, I think, sir, Bailey's, what I found, Bailey's enough and some part from the Sebastian, sir.
Yes. Doctor, the time to thank, you want to thank who helped your career so far. You can thank using this platform.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, you can thank whom all you want to thank.
Sir, I will thank to you, sir, for giving the opportunity. I'm creating this, sir, and so my neurosurgery faculty, sir. It took the very fantastic interview. I followed throughout the interviews. It took 1 hour, and most of the questions that he asked was similarly asked in the interview session, sir.
Okay, doctor. Now, once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career ahead in neurosurgery. And years to come, your services will help millions of people. And wish you all the best and all the success from Speed Medical Institute.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.